I decided a while ago I was going to build a brake press. And so here's kind of what I came up with. The cylinders will go right here. This linkage is what keeps it level from side to side. And then there'll be some, I was going to do brass. I think I'm going to do HDPE slides to keep it in line. And these will all be 3/4 inch heim joints in between all that. And then these I-beams are just size that I found out at the junkyard out of an old bridge. So here it is. The ceilings are 9 foot, so I made it like 1 inch shorter than 9 foot. These I-beams weigh 50 pounds a foot. They're pretty substantial. They're 15-inch tall I-beam. And then that's 6x6 quarter wall. And then here is the ram that I've been welding on. So it's double stacked and it'll all be welded. I got a lot of welding to do. And then pinned on there. I can cut 10 foot, so I figured I should be able to bend 10 foot. And here's the hydraulic cylinders that I got. They're 5-inch. They are huge. And a pump.